Whether you are from Galmudug or Getaway, you are from Minneapolis. Whether you are from Bosaso or Mogadishu, you are from Minneapolis. Whether you are from Hargeisa, Somaliland, Ogadenia, or Nairobi, you are from Minneapolis. In Minneapolis, we love you. In Minneapolis, we embrace unity. And in Minneapolis, this is a place where we are proud to call it home. Mahat said it. Thank you so much. Or Southwest.